Hey everyone, let's create a free blog website with WordPress. So here we go. So search here wordpress.com and you need to open that website called wordpress.com and now let's click on the get started. We're going to create the free blog website here. Now I'm going to continue with Google and it's start. As you can see here, this is asking for choose your domain name. So you can choose a domain name, suppose, and blog something and let's search. So I'm going to just select this one, okay? And let's click on continue. Now, you can see asking for a plan. So I'm not gonna buy any plan here. Let's start with a free plan. Click on this and just click on the continue with free plan. So when we choose the free plans, we will get a TCP blog.wordpress.com domain. Okay. So continue with the free plan. You can choose the another domain according to your requirement. Okay. Now you can see this is our website. Now let's do one thing here. Let's click on the give your site name. Click on this and the site title is TCB blogs, okay, tag blogs, and just save changes. That's it. Now, click on the TCB blog in the laptop corner and click on visit site. And you can see this is your website look like, okay? And now I'm going to make it that more attractive, okay? Click on that TCB blog and click on the dashboard, okay? So whenever you want to visit your website or dashboard, you need to just go to this dashboard, okay? Or do one more thing here, like after this, just type the slash and type here wp-admin and then enter. You will redirect to the dashboard like this. Okay. There's two ways to go to the dashboard, like this one, wp-admin, and click on this website and click on the dashboard like this. Okay. In the left side, you will see the option of appearance and click on themes. Okay. So I'm going to choose here some themes. So you can see there are a lot of themes you can choose, but make sure to click on the view all and just select the free. So I'm going to just select the free themes. So scroll down and you will see a lot of themes. So I'm going to just try this one theme. Okay. Just select this and just click on the preview. You can see the preview of your website like this. Cool. Now close this and just activate. And it's done. Let's click on the visit site and our website look like this. See, now I'm going to just write some blogs here. Okay. So how we can do this? In the left side, we'll see the post option. Click on this. Now click on the add post and write some blog here. Okay, let's cross this and like my first blog. Okay, and we need to write a content here. So I'm going to try to get a content from ChatGPT. So I have that content is the title. So go to the website and just type my blog title. And you can see this is the description. I'm going to just copy this and I'm going to just paste it here. Okay, like this. So I have that blog. I have that blog and title. Let's click on the publish. Just click on cross and just click on the post option here. You can just set featured image. So select this, click on the media library, or you can generate with AI also. Let's click on to generate with AI and you can see the creating image. Let's wait some seconds. You can see he generated that image. So set featured image. Fantastic. Or you can upload your own image also. Okay, let's save this. Fantastic. Now open your website and just refresh it. You can see you have that blog and image also. You have the another blog. So like this, you can create a multiple blog of your website. So whenever someone open your website, so they can access your blog. So once they click on this title, so they can read all your blog content like this. And they can leave a comment also on your blog. This is really very cool. We have this website, right? Now, we need to launch this website. So how we can make that website live now finally? So click on the launch website now and you can see the options. So I'm going to select this domain. Okay. And you can see the plan. Now I'm going to choose the free plan, keep this plan. And your site will be live shortly. Done. Check out for a domain name. So I don't want to buy the domain name. Okay. So I'm going to just click on the cross and leave item. That's it. Your website is live. Just visit to your website and I'm going to just see in the incognito how this will look. Fantastic. You can see you have a blog, you have a TCP blogs title, and you have a list post. Fantastic, right? So this is the free blog website we created using a WordPress. Thank you so much for watching this video. Have a nice day. Be safe. Bye-bye.